Yo, this is Angry Tom Tom channel, and today I will be teaching you on how to predict the cryptocurrency movement for the 2020 and through 2021. But first, I want to make sure that you understand the basics, okay? So let's go with the coinmarketcap.com, okay? You have to know this website because it contains all the crypto coin from A to Z, okay? So basically this is my prediction on the right side, but I would want to go on the left side first, okay? Basically when you go to the coinmarket.com, you have to be able to read this. So there are 7,742 cryptocurrencies available, okay, and there are 33,000 market. That's what means it's the place to buy and sell, okay? And the amount of money that people invested is around 527 billion, okay? And this is the 24-hour money that is flowing in, and this is the Bitcoin dominant is 64% of the total of 527. How do I know? I multiplied 64 by 527, I got 339, okay, billion. So basically Bitcoin has like 64% of the money flowing in because this is the first crypto ever created in the world, okay? So if you go to here, you go to the 64.2%, multiply that by 0.64, multiplied by that by 427, 184, 487, 615. So that's around 337. That's where you get the number from, okay? I forget to put like 64.2, so it's roughly around that much, okay? So I mean, if you click this exchanges right here, it will show you what the place to buy and sell. And if you click by sorting it, like what is the biggest volume in the 24 hours, it will be Binance and will be global, okay? So the rest of them are less transaction. So Binance is the cryptocurrency place to buy and sell in China, and Huobi too. So where is the United States? Wow, I mean, usually they use like a Coinbase, right? So the Coinbase is like pretty far away up here, you know. I don't know why it's so far away. So basically Chinese people put a lot of their money in the crypto. I don't know, maybe their currency sucks, so they do a lot of mining, they do a lot of investing. So basically China owns most of the crypto in the world, I guess, because that's where the data is from. Maybe foreign people put a lot of money in the in this Binance and the Huobi. Who knows, you know? But this place is in China, okay? This is amazing. And you should also know about the most popular cryptocurrencies, which is Bitcoin, and second is Ethereum XRP, that I will discuss it later. And also there's a Chainlink, the USDT. This is just like the US dollar. Basically I'm gonna discuss like 1, 2, 3, 4, because I have that coin, and I also have like a XMR, which is Monero, and Digibyte, which is less popular. It used to be popular before other coin came up, okay? So let's start with the prediction, okay? So wait, let me go with the Bitcoin, okay? So Bitcoin actually it is halving every 4 years, okay? So what is halving? You can read by yourself, but basically the reward is being halved. Let's say you have like 16 Bitcoin, then 4 years later the reward is gonna be 8 Bitcoin, okay? It's gonna be harder. It will look like a real mining. And this is the date, because it started in the 2009 Bitcoin. If you go to the Wikipedia, it started in the 2009. So it's 4 years later, it's 2012, right? And then on the July of the 9, and then in the May 11 2020 this year. Okay, so I will show you why it is related to the price. Okay, so let's go to the price prediction. Okay, let's go to the Bitcoin first. I would rather use a Bitstamp because it has more data, because it's like an older exchanges. So BTC USD. Okay, you want to go to the Bitstamp because it has more time stamp until, start from 2012. Okay, so my method basically, it's really simple. Okay, let me put this on the right. So my decision of doing stuff is based on this. So when the price breaks the previous year high, I'm buying. Okay, but of course you have to see the momentum. Okay, and it's higher high, higher low pattern. Okay, if you know technical analysis, then you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, if not, then you can go to the basic of technical analysis. But if the previous year, if the price break the previous year low, you're gonna be shorting. But I don't recommend shorting, because you're gonna have like a margin on it, so you don't want to put a margin on it. So because it's too dangerous for a beginner. But basically we want to try to make a lot of money with less money. Okay, so if the price stuck between the previous year low and high, you should do nothing, because the price will move sideways between low and high of previous year. Okay, it's really that simple. Okay, so the price of the Bitcoin is, the highest of the 2019 was 13,000, and then the lowest was this. Okay, so if the price breaks above this, which it is right now, is around 18,000, right, 500, it breaks, then it goes up. Okay, and I want to show you not only the signal, you can read this by yourself, but I'll also show you the chart. Hold on, where is the chart? Okay, so if you go to a specific date that I told you before, okay, let me put it here so you can read it. Okay, like that. So it's under 2012, 2016, 2020. Okay, so now let's go back to this BTC. Okay, so in the 2012 it is halving. Okay, and the price of the 2012 start from here. Okay, so you look at the 2011 high, which is around $12.90, but nothing happened because maybe because the coin is not popular yet. So you want to make sure that your coin is like on the top 10 or top 30. It might be a potential, but you don't go wrong with the top 3 in this crypto. Okay, because there are a lot of interest in it. Okay, so 2012 it doesn't really break above 1290. Okay, so in the 2013 you want to see the high of the 2012, which is around 12.9. Okay, but it breaks suddenly above the high, so you do buy. Okay, that's what the signal tells you to do. Okay, you buy. Okay, so it's really simple. And then, so the halving is on the 2012, and then there is another halving in the 2016, right? So basically, if you go to the 2016, okay, you want to look at the previous year, which is 2015, right? I mean, if there's a halving here, then you want to go with the previous year. Okay, 2015 high was around what do you call this, 500 to $503. Okay, it's around that. So you want to buy on the 2016 when it breaks above this high. Okay, so that's how my techniques is really working. Okay, you can go from here. You can, I mean, I can show you guys. So after 2013, when it goes up, when into 2014, what are you gonna do? Just look at the previous year high, which is around 255. When it breaks above that 255 something, it went up like hell. But you gotta be careful on the 2014 when it goes up that much. The range is just too high from here to here. Usually you don't do anything on the next year because it will go sideways like this. It will stay within the low of the previous year, which is from the I don't know, $14 up to 1,000. So the price will go like this. Okay, and then in the 2015, okay, you don't want to do anything either because it still go from here to all the way to here. Okay, actually the price in the 2015 breaks above the low, which is $273. Okay, so you wanna get in when the price is like congested like this, because when the price like breaks too high, your risk is become more and more when it's try to correcting, when the price do this kind of a correction. So you want like a congested pattern, which is something like this. Okay, and you can see there's like a triple bottom here. You can use the technical analysis too. And then in the 2016, it is halving, right? I forget when is it halving, is on the July. Okay, so on the November 2012 is on the November. That's why the price increased in the 2013. Okay, if you want to see the website, you can go here. It's a halving. After the halving, the price goes up. After the second halving, it goes up. After the third halving, it also goes up. So this is the 2020. Okay, that's where you can see it. Okay, it's in the May, the July. So let's see what happened the price on the July 2016. It went July 2016 on the 9th July. The price, hold on, July. Okay, the price breaks. Hold on, let me refresh it because it's free, so I have to refresh it again. Wait, why is it bit breaks? Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, in the 2016, okay, in the 2016 on the July, it went down slightly, but it's still above the 2015 high, which is around $311. Wait, hold on. Around, let me zoom the chart. It's hard to see. Okay, there's a high around here, which is around $500. Okay, it's happening on the November 2015. It's around $504. So if I draw the line here, it's trying to test this level. Okay, let me draw it for you guys. Okay, damn it, why? Let me close this because I use all the free stuff, so that's what happened. So basically in the there's a line here. Okay, did you see that? This is the previous year high of the 2015. Okay, in here. Okay, in this. Okay, so this is 2016. So you want to buy when it breaks above this. So that's what happened. Okay, do you understand? So it's like my technique is like super simple. It went up all the way up to a to what's the price, 1145. Okay, so when it breaks in the 2017, when you're about to buy, when it breaks above this, you know, when it breaks above this, it does a correction and then it go all the way up. So basically you can make a lot of money, you know. But after this huge run, like this is not just a huge run, it's like a super parabolic, you know. So you don't want to so you don't want to do like trading after you take a profit here in the 2017. You don't want to trade on the 2018 because the price cannot break this previous year high around almost 20,000, right? Okay, so this is the 2017 low is around this much, $783. So you don't want to do that because it will correct. See, so in the 2018 you don't want to do shit because the high of that year was still pretty high. It's around, I don't know, 16k. Hold on, no, it's around 17,244. Okay, so the range is too much for you guys to have a less risk of making decision. Okay, so this is the high of the 2000 previous year high of the 2018. Okay, this is the low, this is the low. Okay, so this is your risk from up from here to here, you know. That's a lot of risk, you know. That's crazy, right? Risk. So you don't want to have like trading around that. But on the 2019, you know, let's go in the 2019, you don't want to do things too. I mean, you don't want to do like you don't have to do, I mean, you can buy, but you don't have to, you know. The price will go sideways because it is trapped between the high of that and the low of this. Okay, so what happened in the 2020, it breaks the previous year high of this 13,861. Do you see that? That's why it's going up like shit, man. I mean, if you use my techniques, it's like super simple. Okay, it breaks above that. This is 2020, right? So it breaks above that, so it breaks really strong and then it does correction and then it went all the way up like that, you know. It's like a lot of it's like a huge gain here. So it I mean, that's what happened. I mean, that's using exactly the same technique that I use, you know. You can make money, you know. But the point is, so what kind of cryptocurrency that you want to get like right now, I mean, or maybe in the future in 2021, you want to get something that doesn't have like a high range like that, you know, because people doesn't, it's not comfortable of buying around here. Okay, so for me, my recommendation will be XRP for now. Okay, let me change the to XRP. Hold on, this one is not let me go to a Bitrix. It's not that complete yet. Not sure which, maybe this. I need like more data before 2018, so let me switch exchanges. Hold on, maybe Bitstamp. I'm trying to look at the 2015 one. Wow, it's really hard to find the data. Okay, I'll just go to the Poloniex. Maybe it has more data. Yes, it does. Okay, so basically XRP is created I mean, maybe 2015 or before, and you could also use the same techniques to buy. So when it breaks under 2018, when it breaks above 2017, you could buy. I mean, you could buy it. Okay, let's go to 2016. Okay, the high is around, what is it, 0.09, as you can see here in 2016. Okay, there's a high wick around here. You buy around here, and then it starting to go up like shit. Okay, in the 2017, and then it breaks above that. Okay, it goes as far as much as this. Okay, around $3. Okay, and then in the 2018, you don't want to do shit because it went up too much, so it will reverse just like this. Okay, so 2018 you don't do shit. Okay, in the 2019 you don't want to do shit too, because the price is moving from top here to the low of here, you know. So it could go sideways like this forever. And then in the 2019 you don't want to do shit too. Okay, hold on. Okay, in the 2019 it cannot break the high of this $3. Okay, so you don't do anything. But in the 2020 it cannot break this high of the 52 cents. Okay, and this is the low of the 2019 is from here to here. It's maybe around 0.17. Okay, and then it tries to break this low, but it could not. It goes up slightly. So this is like a congestion basically. So it's trying to touch this 50 cents, 51 cents level. You know, it did correct over here. Okay, so I'm excited. Maybe into 2021 we hope that it will break this previous year of the 2019 area, which is the high around here. Then it could shoot up to a $2. So let me show you how do I predict that, how far the price will go up. Usually I just use this congestion area around. Okay, it just congested around here to here. So my target would be, okay, it's gonna be starting around here. It's gonna be go around here. Okay, so that's my target. So the length of this is equal to the height of this. Okay, so it's gonna be around $2 area. Okay, so that's where I'm aiming. I mean, you could use the technique just to get the estimate. Okay, you could also use the XRP BTC. It has like another pair of XRP and BTC Bitcoin. I mean, it did the same shit. Okay, I'm gonna show you this just because, you know, should I sell my Bitcoin or should I keep it? Okay, damn it, why it takes so long? Okay, let me type it here. I don't know why does it take too long. XRP BTC. Okay, basically if you saw this, it's using a Bitcoin pair over here. In the 2015 you don't have the data, in 2014 so you cannot make decision, but in the 2016 it cannot break above the high of this, so you don't do shit in the 2016 because it breaks. I mean it stays below this 2,156 Satoshi. Okay, that's where you get your number on the right side. So when it breaks above this, it tried to stay down on the 2016. See that it even went down further. This is the lowest of the 2016. Okay, went down, and then on the 2017 it breaks above the high of the 2016, which is around 2,431 Satoshi. You see the price on the right. Okay, this is the 2017. You know, during the January, February, it stays down, and then suddenly it breaks like this. Okay, and then it create like a resistance and it becomes a support. Okay, let me show you on the clear side. Okay, so this is the support. Okay, and then the price trying to test this level again. Okay, on the 2017. This is 2017. Okay, this is 2018. So you can so there are two buying moment up here and up here. This is first and the second. So as long as the price stays above this 2437, you buy. Okay, money, you make money here. Okay, it's really simple. Okay, and also this congestion is around this much, right? From here to here, and so it will be hold on, from here up to there. Okay, I will start from the bottom here, but let me use another color. Okay, it will go all the way up here. So the length of this is equal to this. Okay, just draw like a triangle and see if it's perpendicular, but you want to start from the low of the price before it's like shooting up to the top. Okay, so that's where your target is. I mean, you could get this, but I mean, it went down quickly that it settles around here. Okay, so this is just an estimation. So don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up button, or comment if you have any question about any coin that you want me to look at. But at least your coin has to be popular. I don't want to predict like some shit that is not popular, like next. So what the hell is this, you know? You want to get like a top coin, you know. And if you go to the Chainlink, which is pretty popular right now, but I did not follow it before, so it did the same thing. Okay, it did the same thing when it started. I don't know when is it started, maybe 2019. It's like a new coin, and then the high of the 2019 was around 4.568 bucks, right? And then in the 2020 right here, you know, it's trying to test, but it fails, and then finally it breaks above this. So you want to buy when it's break, and then you can put like a you can buy over here on the pullback, and then it shoot up there to the 20 bucks. This is insane, you know, like, so it still go above that. But in the 2021, I want to wait. I don't want to buy this because it's too high right now. So I want to wait 2021 what's gonna happen, and then I might buy that in the 2022, or when the price touches around $4.9. Okay, that's, I might buy when it's like on the way down, you know. But I have to wait next year because it might go sideways if the low of the price of the 2020 is around 1.7 to 20. You know, it might go like this. Okay, you don't want to be in that situation, you know. So there are a lot of let me do one more with the Ethereum. I have not show you guys the Ethereum. Okay, it does the same thing. Okay, I don't have a lot of data on the Bittrex. Maybe there are another exchange. I don't know, maybe Bitstamp has more data. It's still the same. Maybe Binance. It's still the same. Okay, so in the 2017, I don't have enough data back there. You know, there should be like a data back, but I don't know which exchange is like the oldest to find that. Maybe Bitfinex. Okay, Bitfinex has more data because Bitfinex is the creator of the USDT. Okay, so in the 2016, okay, the high is around $16. Actually there should be more data here because I bought it before 2017. Actually I bought it in different exchanges. Okay, basically I bought it in the Indonesian exchanges. Okay, Okay, 2017, it breaks the high of the 2017, it goes up like hell. Okay, it goes up that much. So if it goes up that parabolic means it went up too much in the more than like 45-degree angle. That's what I call parabolic. Okay, so you don't want to do shit in the 2018, and then in the 2019 you don't want to do shit because the range is too high. It's around 1300 to all the low here. Okay, so in the 2020 you want it to break above $363. Okay, it did break around here, and then it's just this congested. It's not sure. Okay, maybe it's waiting for the Bitcoin, what do you call it, halving. Okay, so it start thinking, and then right now it's just breaking above that. So that's a high probability of trading if you know what you're doing. After you watch my video, I think we will become a lot smarter. Okay, and I will do one more on the Bitcoin pair. Okay, so that's what happened. Okay, 2016, it breaks, it goes high like that, you can still make a lot of money, and then when it goes up that much, you don't want to do shit around here in the 2000. Actually, you can buy around here. Okay, you can buy around this 2016 high, around here, and around here, because you can buy, let's say, at the end of the year, and you still make good money. But after you sold, you don't want to buy anymore because it might stuck between here and here. Okay, that's the ranges. Okay, I hope you find this video is like pretty useful, and this is, I'm showing you again my signal of the link, but I wanna show you one more for the Gigabyte. It has like a good run on the past. Okay, that's what happened in the past. Okay, when the price of the 2017, it run up pretty huge. Okay, so in the 2016 high was around 188 Satoshi. Okay, then it breaks above that, it went up like that. So you could use the technique that I told you earlier. Okay, so the height of, this is equal to this. Okay, so you want to here. Okay, so the length is equal to the height of the price. Okay, you can use that price estimation, okay, to look at the target. And then after the 2017, you don't want to do anything on the 2018 because it might move like sideways. That's what happened. And then in the 2019, you have to look at the 2000 high is around 883. Okay, in the 2019, it doesn't do shit. Okay, so you should not sell your Bitcoin because your Bitcoin is getting stronger against this Digibyte. Okay, and then in the 2020, you have to look at the 2019 high, which is around 422 Satoshi. Okay, so this is what happened. It cannot break above this, so you shouldn't do shit. Okay, you don't do anything because you should not sell your Bitcoin for Digibyte. Okay, just wait. But if you go to the USDT pair, it is like a mixed signal. Hold on. Okay, so this is the 2019 high is around this January, so it's around 0.0169. Okay, so basically it's fighting around this resistance and support area just to go up. Okay, but it's still not good because it's still like a lot weaker compared to the Bitcoin. Okay, so just my 2 cents. I hope you are able to differentiate the opportunity, and for me, XRP is gonna be the best because it has not break the previous year high of the 2019. I hope it will get stuck and then it will go shoots up on the 21. So that's my best prediction. Is the best risk and reward is in the XRP right now. Okay, let me do one more before I ended this conversation. And okay, this is okay. There's this huge congestion, and when it shoots up, it might go that much. Okay, it might go back to I don't know, maybe like a $2.2 area around here. So I'm really excited, because the more the price is congested, the more the higher the break to the upside. Okay, so let's pray that I like it better if it breaks on the 2021. Actually, I expect it's just to like stay sideways until the end of 2021, and then into 2021 it start to break like hell, So this is the best risk and reward pattern, for crypto 2021. So that's my prediction. It could stay sideways, but if it breaks above this, the signal is just to buy. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. If not 2021, maybe 2022. I'm just waiting for the next Bitcoin halving. Okay, so the next Bitcoin halving is gonna be on 2024. Okay, I don't know if the price of the other cryptocurrency will also go crazy on the 2024 or before that. Okay, so thank you for listening, and stay strong, question everything, don't forget to subscribe. This is Ingram Tum Tum channel. See you in the next prediction.